sabotage the greatness God has for your life. Don't let fear, unworthiness, doubt keep you from stepping into levels you've never dreamed. Peter didn't feel qualified. He felt unworthy. He had weaknesses. He was inconsistent. Yet God said, you're going to become a rock. I'm going to build my church on you. God wouldn't have given you the gift if you couldn't handle it.
I'm not joking. All my guys, them know me. Since 06, I've been writing this story.
Good morning, guys, from Namastutu. I hope you guys are doing good, are doing well. I hope you guys are great. I was busy doing some stretches here. So I usually do back stretches because when I'm here, I'm not active enough. So I have to make sure that, because the last time I could not feel my other leg and I had pains and stuff, so I bought a mat and usually do those exercises. But yeah, just to keep, it's not even about being in shape, it's just stretches for my body because I'm not active enough. So imagine not having to walk like certain distances. As a human being, you have to function, and some things cannot happen if you don't do anything. And today I come with energy, baba. I'm kidding, guys. Like, I was just busy. Like on my previous vlogs, I was not saying much, I was not doing much. I just wanted to see what's really happening in YouTube and how people are gonna receive me. I don't want to come out as too much. Oh, this girl is posting things already and then she's already preparing. Nah. So yeah, we're just gonna catch up. I'm very shy and I was very camera shy when I started. So now I'm still learning to be able to be communicative and, be open, because I am a very secretive person, honey. If you know me, you know that I don't share much actually. I don't like sharing it's not even about sharing my personal life or whatever. I'm just not an open person, but I am going to learn to be open and be free. But life is like sometimes too much for me, and I've not been myself in this past few days, but I think today I woke up better. Yeah, I woke up better, and I hope you guys gonna enjoy this vlog. Please do comment and like my video. I'm just gonna make something to eat, and then now I'm not a breakfast person. It depends on the day if I'm hungry. So today I'm just in a good mood. I think I'm just gonna have an orange and coffee, even though I feel like I drink coffee a lot, and also now I'm starting to talk too much. So let me do my breaky and decide on whether I'm gonna have coffee or what.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once.
I can't believe I believed everything we had when last we young and naive.
No one calls you, not mom or yourself, to be like, hey, how do you feel about this? It's this much money.
How this narrative just literally came into her head. The last
Guys, all skin is breaking out. It's bad. Look, I have pimples here. Also, I feel like this color on my hair, it's not doing the thing at all. I just want to apply this mask on my face. Maybe this. I know all the girls be using this, right? Honestly, I've just stopped taking care of my skin because I've been lazy and stuff. Also, I no longer have face products anymore. I need to put in oil on Subbies to get some serum for my face. So when I was busy ordering, price 500. There's no way. I will wait. I don't know until when. Maybe until Black Friday. And I should have been using my brush, but I'm not gonna use any brush because ooh, chill. Also guys, I know the lighting in here, it's not the best at all. Because this bathroom is not on the side of the sun, and also the sun hasn't yet come out. The sun is gonna come out maybe around I don't know what time. I think around 1, hopefully. Because today the weather is not gonna be that bad anyway. Guys, and also I have beards. Oh my god, these beards are becoming worse each day. I tried shaving. I think I should do some laser art, right? And forever, cause like I can't be that woman with beard and stuff. And I look so well. Yo, the skin is stressing me out. To go to Mr. Braai, so gonna get some kitchen stuff. I think I'm also gonna go to this camp because I want to buy what's this, some new makeup stuff. If I'm gonna go though, I want to check out some new stuff. There's something that I want, and also maybe something for my skin, since my skin is breaking out and I've not been consistent in terms of taking care of my skin.
It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen a hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, cause I felt I wanna meet her. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper, spit it so she get it. If she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Got to go see her. And I gotta admit that you got my attention, you're making me want to say oh. Are you trying to leave this? I said how I love you, keep you here with me, you baby. Now so they grab hold of my hand and let's pretend the flow is ours. You say you don't really dance, just one good step. Now with the music is moving too fast, now my head a little tired. Don't be afraid to move a little closer. Girl, there's something about you that makes me wanna say
First touch, get left in the dust. No room to judge. Talking business, no trust. Lips, first touch, get left in the dust. No room to judge. So tonight you should go and take a chance with her. She could be everything you wanted, boy. Don't let
whoa, whoa, yeah. Sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now, baby. I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down, baby. We took a trip, now we on your block, and it's like a ghost town. can take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. Now if I wrote you a love note and make you smile at every word I wrote, would that make you wanna change your scene and wanna be the one on my team? See, what's the point in waiting anymore?
Ich scusa Angela, sotto un futuro ci sono le robe che sono a stesso.
Represents my heart and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do.
I can't believe I believed everything we had was last. So young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kids. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. I can't believe I fell for your schemes. I'm smarter than that. I'm naive to believe that with me you're a changed man. Foolish of me to compete when you cheat with who's winning. It took me some time, but now I'm moved on. Because I realize I gotta hate myself. That's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. Talk about that from now on. I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself. That's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. Talk about that from now on. I'm gonna be my own best friend. Controlling, you say that you love me, but you don't. Your family told me one day I would see it on my own. Next thing I know, I'm dealing with the 3 kids in my own. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. Now
I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do like you do. That's why I don't mind spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is no one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Leave no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. Can't deny, I got a crush on you, that's true indeed. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
They just wanna fuck with you. Just they know I fuck with you. If I put my trust in you, what will you do? Will you just step back? Will you work it out? Will you be here to the end? I just wanna know if you're my friend. I just wanna know if you're intended. I know I've been away. Just trying to get my mind straight. Don't give my shit away.
That I should start by saying, yeah, I gotta give a game proper, spit it so she get it, there she is, I gotta stop her, oh yeah.